Explain how to replace the round knife blade. Prepare some tools first. 3 mm Allen key hex hexagonal, 5 mm Allen key hex hexagonal, and a 12 mm open-end wrench. Disassemble the pressure plate first. There are 2 screws in it. After removing the pressure plate, fix screws with 5 mm Allen key hex hexagonal. Secure the nut with a 12 mm open-end wrench. This is a reverse screw. Note that it is rotating in the opposite direction. Remove screws and nuts. Remove the blade that needs to be replaced, then replace it with a new blade. Tighten the screws in place. Finally, fix the pressure plate. Blade replacement complete.